Good afternoon, Kinders. Mrs. Radl here with my son's dog, Rita. She's visiting today and hanging out with me. So I'm going to read you a story today, a little bit more weather material for y'all. What makes a rainbow? Little Rabbit and his mother were sitting under a big flower petal. "Look," said Little Rabbit, "it stopped raining." "Yes," said Mama Rabbit, "soon we'll see a rainbow." "What makes a rainbow?" asked Little Rabbit. "Why don't you ask your friends?" said Mama Rabbit. "Ladybug, what makes a rainbow?" asked Little Rabbit. "Red," said the ladybug, gently closing her wings. "You need red to make a rainbow." Can you all remember what our acronym is for a rainbow? Red is the first color. "Mr. Fox, what makes a rainbow?" asked Little Rabbit. "Orange," said Mr. Fox, swishing his orange tail. "You need orange to make a rainbow." "Little Chick, what makes a rainbow?" asked Little Rabbit. "Yellow," said Little Chick. "Yellow makes a rainbow." So if we look here, we've got red, orange, and yellow. What do you guys think the next color is going to be? Oh, Rita, what do you think? What do you think? "Mr. Grasshopper, what makes a rainbow?" asked Little Rabbit. What do you guys think? "Green, you were right, makes a rainbow," said Mr. Grasshopper, rubbing his long green legs together. "You need green to make a rainbow." "Bluebird, what makes a rainbow?" asked Little Rabbit. "Blue," said Bluebird, ruffling her pretty blue feathers. "You need blue to make a rainbow." Rita's liking this story, you guys. "Butterfly, what makes a rainbow?" asked Little Rabbit. "Purple," said Butterfly, spreading her delicate purple wings. "You need purple to make a rainbow." Do we have all the colors, friends? We do. Let's look closely. Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, and purple or violet make a rainbow. "Well," said Mama to Rabbit, "now you know what makes a rainbow." Rain, colors, red, orange, yellow, green, blue, purple, and sunshine. And we had a big rainbow yesterday morning. I hope you all got a chance to see it. So that is our story for this afternoon. What makes a rainbow? Thank you all for tuning in. See you soon, Kinders.
Hi, kindergarten friends. It's Mrs. Opfer. I really enjoyed Mrs. Radl's story about rainbows. I hope you did too. Today, during reading workshops Read to Self time, I want you to practice using the 5-finger retell method to retell the story she just read. Remember to tell about the setting, the characters, the beginning, the middle, and the end. Next, as you read your Just Right books, try using the 5-finger retell method and share with a grown-up all about your favorite story for today. Happy reading, kindergarten friends. We'll see you very soon.